Now on the display panel, once your printer is on, we need to enter this printer into the setup mode. For that we need to press and hold the cancel button, which is the top button with the red mark, red cross on that, and the wireless button. So do it together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now we release it. You will see the power button starts to flash, and after some time it will stop flashing and it will stay on. And the blue light, which is the wireless light here, that will start to flash. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Now go to your device. I'm going to use the Android phone today, so now open the HP Smart app and you can download it from the App Store. On the top of the screen you will see there is a plus button, so click on that. So if you see it says no printer found, then you have to click on setup a new printer and just wait for the printer to appear here. On the next screen you will see it says DexJet 2600 series printer HP setup. Now click on this and it will go for the next page. Here you see connect printer to Wi-Fi. Now it will ask the password of your Wi-Fi and it displays the name of Wi-Fi on the top. In case this is not the right one, you can just click on change network and you can select the Wi-Fi network you want and enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Once you enter the password, we have to click on continue, and you will see on the next screen it says connecting, finding the printer, and on the next screen it says printer connected to Wi-Fi. Click on continue. If you want, you can download the printer to other devices by sending a link from here. Otherwise just click note now. It says setup complete, let's print. For example, now here you can do printer document and that will be the confirmation of the connection. So here we see the printer is available with all the details. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning. For printing, look for the print document section. Here you can select the photos or documents you want to print. Select any document from the list you have and here, and click on the print button. On the next screen you will see the name of the printer, and here you can increase the number of copies, and if you want color mode, or if you want, you can change the size of the paper. And once you are ready, just click on this button and it will send a command for the printer to print. So here we see the printer has printed this page. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning. For that we go back. Now look for the scan option in this app. In case your app is not working, just check if the Wi-Fi is still connected with the printer or not, because sometimes automatically Wi-Fi can connect with the different Wi-Fi network of your home. Now click on the printer scan button, open the top scanner lid, place the page facing downwards and click on the scan button. So here you can see the scan has been transferred here. Thanks for watching.